guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be reviewing the new Colourpop Sweet Talk Spring Collection. I actually purchased the PR kit, so it did come with 2 lipsticks, the eyeshadow palette, plus it came with 2 of the Jelly Much shadows. So if you guys want to see everything that this is about, what's in here, what type of eye look I do, then definitely keep on watching.
Looking for something, chasing the sun.
Alright guys, so I finally got the Sweet Talk collection. I did order this 2 days after the Villain collection, which I still am having really big issues with. I actually just made a video on it just a couple days ago, which I'll post right up here for you guys. And I was really surprised by the amount of feedback that I got back. A lot of people are having a lot of issues with Colourpop right now, especially pertaining to the Villains palette and the Sweet Talk Spring Collection palette. People are having some major issues with that. I just want to let you guys know, you guys are not alone. I'm here with you guys. I was lucky enough to check my mailbox and this did indeed arrive like when it said it would. But when it comes to the whole Villain collections with Colourpop, it's a mess. So this morning I woke up to an email from Colourpop saying that they were so sorry for the mess, but they wanted me to send them a picture of the actual package that it came in itself. So not only did I send a picture of what I ordered, picture of the invoice, and then I had to send a picture of what it came in, like the packaging, the front and the back. For some reason they wanted to see it. I sent all of that once again, and I finally just got an email from Colourpop saying this: sorry for the issue, we'll get your replacement sent out for you ASAP. Processing time has been extended due to our recent promotions and launches. Orders may take up to 5 to 7 business days to process. Once your replacement package goes out, you'll receive an email with tracking. So, not only did it take them forever to process it the first time, when I did receive it, I got the wrong package, and now it's going to take them an additional 5 to 7 business days to process my order once again. So at this point, I have no idea I'll be getting the Colourpop Villain collection, and it's very, very frustrating. And people are like, you know, on the comments saying, hang in there, please still film a review, and I will for you guys if that's what you want to see. But at that point, like, I'm so beyond frustrated with the whole situation. Like, I love Colourpop. Like, I truly do love Colourpop, but the fact that they are literally taking this long, it's very frustrating, and it's just making it me not want to shop with them for a while. Not that I'm gonna boycott them, because I won't, because I love their brand too much, but to shop online with them for a while, like, I don't know, the collection will have to be really good for me to even be interested in it, because right now I just kind of want to take a break, just because this is just ridiculous. Like, this is just, to me, this is insane how this whole process is going. And I think it's, you know, because they're releasing way too many stuff at one time that they're having a really hard time keeping up, and that might be the reason why. But at the end of the day, like, it's just frustrating as a consumer, and it's good to know that I'm not the only one out there having these issues, and I apologize that anyone out there is having these issues, but just know I'm here with you. I'm suffering as well. So that's the kind of like update that I have going on the Villain collection. As soon as I do end up getting that in, I will film a video for you guys. Just who knows when it's gonna be. So moving on, I am doing another Colourpop video. I did receive this Colourpop, like I said, the Sweet Talk collection today. I was actually not going to buy it. Like, it didn't really spark my interest. It wasn't until I saw Raw Beauty Chrissy's video that I was like, oh my god, like, this is a really gorgeous, gorgeous palette. So it's like, you know, screw it, I'll go ahead and get the PR kit. And the PR kit did cost $40, and it came with the eyeshadow palette, the 2 lipsticks, plus, if I can get it all in one hand, these eyeshadow Jelly Much shadows to go with this. All that for $40, or you could do, you know, 4 installments for $10 a piece on Afterpay. It's completely up to you guys. I did the Afterpay for $10. I was like, screw it, Colourpop is screwing me over for the Villain collection, and might as well just pay $10 for this. So that is what I did. By the way, I want to let you guys know, so random, and I don't even know if anyone cares, but I think it's actually really, really cool. I got a notification today from Physician Formula that they actually shared my video that I just did on their products to their Twitter account, saying go check it out. I thought that was actually really sweet and really cool. Like, how awesome is that? Like, they shared my video. Like, that's insane. That's actually really cool. And I was kind of weird because I was like, I hope they watched it, because I was kind of like negative about the whole collection, but then I ended up turning around and really loving it. I just, you know, it did have a lot of fallout to it, so hopefully they actually watched the video. I'm assuming they did, because I do have a Twitter account. I just never talk about it on here because I don't really do much makeup stuff on the Twitter account. Like I do a lot of Pokemon Go, and well, at least I did. And I just do a lot of like retweets and tweets out to Jeffrey, Jacqueline, Robbie Christie, Manny Mue. Like I'm only in it for like really that stuff. But I do have a Twitter account. It is linked up to my channel on like the banner, and somehow I guess they found it. And yeah, thanks. All right, so with the Sweet Talk Press Powder collection, this is how the packaging itself looked. Really, really pretty, really, really floral-y. And like I said, it did cost $40. Now, looking on their website, it does currently say that it is sold out. Actually, everything is sold out. Oh, that sucks. I'm really sorry, guys. Well, right now the collection is sold out, but hopefully they'll restock it, and it's Colourpop. Who knows what they're gonna do. These are the shadows themselves. Absolutely gorgeous. Those are some really pretty colors, particularly this color right here. That is gorgeous. I really like that. I guess I can swatch these for you. So this is Catch Me, Side to Side, Garden Date, Work It, Prima Donna. Ooh, that is pretty. Meadow, Early Morning, Dreammaker. These are really horrible swatches. I do apologize. Jima, I hope I'm saying that right. Melody, West Side, Free Fill. So then we have these little guys right here. These are the Jelly Much shadows. I'm assuming they're like, they're Super Shock shadows. Right, so these are very wet feeling on the skin, and it's really hard to pick up with beauty lights. It doesn't even do it justice. But the top one right here is called Big Ego, and then underneath that it's gonna be called Close to You. I would definitely say the top one has like a gold reflectant and purple mixed in together, and the bottom is definitely gold and pink mixed in together. Like literally they're like iridescent and they change color. Like my beauty lights, because they're so bright, does not do this justice, but I'm telling you, these literally, like what's right here is like blue, gold, green, and purple like mixed into one, and this is like gold and pink mixed into one. I wish you guys can really see it. It gets really hard with these beauty lights, but these are absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I'm assuming they make like a great topper on the eye, and they're really pretty. All right, then we have the lipsticks. On the top, we do have Tea Time followed by Spring Roll, and these are the two cream lipsticks that do come in that collection as well. So for $40, the fact that you get 2 Jelly Munch shadows, 2 lipsticks, and an eyeshadow palette, that's actually not bad, because I do believe the eyeshadow palette does retail for 18 bucks alone, so it's not a bad deal. I like it right here. The Colourpop says, "You're pretty." That's actually really cute. I kind of want to do like a really soft look, because I really want to play around with like these two colors right here. I want to play around with this color plus this color, because that's absolutely gorgeous. All right, so I went ahead and I laid down the Colourpop No Filter Concealer on my eyes to set down my base, and then I'm going to dig into this color Metal right here and start to just lay that down. And yeah, we'll see how well this palette does. Like I said, I was not going to get it until I saw Raw Beauty Christie's video on it, and I was like, all right, that is a really pretty palette. I particularly love 2 of those colors, the Side to Side and their Prima Donna, because I was like, man, I have got to get that. Now there's definitely some kick up on this palette. Not much, but there is some. I'm gonna do like a really easy eye look, because I really like what she did. She did a halo eye on hers, and I thought that was just absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna do something like pretty similar to hers. I really liked how she did it. I haven't done a halo eye in forever, like in a real hot minute, and these colors make it so simple to do. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go into this color right here. This is called Dreammaker, and it's a really soft pink. It's not gonna really do much to this look, but I'm just gonna pink it up just a little bit, and just by tapping it right on top. One thing I would say about Colourpop is their shadows are truly amazing. They're truly amazing, and the best part about the whole thing, it's so affordable. That's why I love Colourpop so much. I'm just really irritated that I'm having so many issues with them, because it's just really frustrating, and I love them, and I'm sure they're gonna get their shit together, but it's frustrating. Now that color is laid down, I'm gonna go into this color right here, Side to Side. I'm gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna go straight down the middle with it. Oh my God, look at that color. Look at that, so pretty. Okay. So pretty, but that's kind of like a nude color. You know, this color reminds me of their Super Shock shadow in the color Ritz. I got that from the Laura Lee collab that she did with the No Kill Animal Shelter. This is what this color reminds me of, and I love that color Ritz. But I'm going to blend it out just a little bit. Take a little bit of that Dream Maker again, and I'm just going to buff out the edges so it's not so harsh. Oh, you know what I should do? Ooh, okay. I'm gonna take this color right here, the Jelly Mud Shadow, and I'm actually gonna place it, babe. I'm actually gonna take this Jelly Mud Shadow and I'm gonna place it down the middle. See how that performs with this look. Oh my God, yo, for real though, it's like so squishy. It's like so satisfying to touch. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. It's so weird, I never do halo eyes, so this is really intriguing. For sure, it's intriguing. I kind of want to take this color, Prima Donna, and I just want to mess with it because why not? It's definitely a pressed glitter, and we can take that and start popping it right over this color right here. What's actually really cool about this color, oh, it's so hard to come up on camera, but it's like actually like huge chunks of glitter and not like small microchip glitter. It's actually like legit huge chunks of glitter, and it's so hard because I can't ever tell if it's picking up on camera until like I do like my editing. I'm like, oh, you guys can see it, but like I don't know if you guys can see on the brush. Like, can you guys see that? That is actually huge chunks of glitter. I like that a lot. So now I'm gonna go back into this palette. I'm gonna go back into this color Dream Maker right here. I'm just gonna put that under my waterline and start to go from there. There's very little fallout on the face. Surprisingly enough, there's very, very little fallout. That's awesome. I kind of want to take that glitter again, and I just want to go under the eye. Hopefully this is not going to give me like a reaction by any means, but we will see. I'm really liking this really soft, really pretty look. All right, so I'm going to go into this color right here, this Jelly Much. I'm going to go into the color Big Ego, and because I just want to play around with the jelly because it's just so much fun to touch, I'm wanting to pop it just right here in the corner. And buff that up. Wow, you could really wear that on its own. That is so pretty. Like you can like look at this. Ready? Y'all, that could be like a freaking highlighter. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera. The only thing I'm not gonna do is the lips. I'm gonna come back and give you guys my final review. I'm gonna clean up my eyes because they are a little on the messy side right now, but I still think they're gorgeous. But I'll clean everything up and I'll be right on back to give you guys the rest of the review. Alright guys, now that it looks like Tinkerbell shit all over my face, I'm gonna go ahead and do the lips. So I could either do this light one right here, or I could do the darker one. I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. This is the Spring Roll, and I'm not a really big fan of cream lipsticks. I like to have like glosses. So I just love glosses, they're my favorites. So let's try this one out. That is a really, really, really pretty color. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my NYX Butter Oil and I'm just gonna like top off just the middle. That way it doesn't change the color of the gloss. It just, the lipsticks, it just enhances it. Alright guys, and this is it for the final look. I put a lot of glitter on, but I think it's because I'm really angry that I didn't get the Colourpop Villain collection, so I just went really pixie dust on my face. But I really like it. And I kind of went a little overboard on the Jelly Mud Shadow in the inner corner, but you know what? I don't care. I still think the look is really gorgeous. I'm really thoroughly surprised at how much I love this collection. Like these two, first off, these are freaking amazing, and you could wear these on their own. I really particularly love this one right here, and even this one. Like you could just seriously just wear it just as an eyeshadow. Like you could have this as a topper or just wear it by itself. Honestly, I'd wear it by itself because they're so pigmented and they're iridescent and they change color. Like that is amazing to me, particularly this purple one right here. Like I'm obsessed with how it goes, like purple, green, blue, gold. Like it's just like, oh, it's changing and I love it. I will say that the Sweet Talk palette does get ever, particularly this color right here, the Prima Donna color right here, because that is a pressed glitter. So just know that just by playing around with it, you are going to get glitter everywhere. It's going to get all over you, all over your clothes, just on your desk. And that's not bad. It's just know that that is what it's going to end up doing. But overall, I think this collection, I think this eyeshadow palette, I'm not a big fan of nude eyeshadow palettes or neutral tone color palettes because I have so many of them. But this right here, I just think it's absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed with this color right here, plus these pinks and floral colors. It's just a really overall gorgeous, gorgeous palette. And I'm really glad that I got my hands on it. Plus, I really like how Colourpop says, "You're pretty" right there. Like, I think that's really sweet. And this, like I said, these colors are stunning. They blend out beautifully. They have such high pigment to it. Go figure, it's Colourpop. And I overall really love this palette. Now, when it comes, like I said, to these two right here, I've never tried any Jelly Mud shadows before, so this is like a definitely unique thing. They're really similar to like the Super Shock shadows. I just feel like they have more of like a thicker consistency, and they're stunning. And then when it comes to the two lipsticks, I've only used the one color, the Egg Spring Roll. I didn't try the other one, but I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I did add the oil topper on top just because I like having gloss and having lipstick. But overall, I think this collection is absolutely amazing, and it only cost me $40. Like that's awesome, and it got here rather quickly. Now, the Villain collection is a whole nother story on its own, but I'm really, really grateful that I got this collection. I know it's currently sold out. I will still link everything down below in the description box, so make sure you guys look out for that, because I really love the fact that I used a shit ton of glitter. I think it's great, and I had that pixie dust on my face instead of the Disney villains that I wanted. But alright guys, that is it for today's video. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I do post 2 videos a week, and I want to thank you guys for all your love and support, and I will see you guys in the very next video. I do apologize for laughing because my fiance just completely made fun of me for something, and I'll put that in the blooper reel because it is just ridiculous, and I didn't even realize how many videos I've actually said this in. So ooh, he just pointed out something that I'm really embarrassed about. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. No. I will film a video. I sent a picture of the inbox because and I sent out a little. Once your replacement package goes out, you receive you'll screw me over with the Villain connection. I was like, screw it, Colourpop. Legitimately, like metal right here. The color is all marked like the Prima Donna palette. Oh my god, I can't even talk. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do post 2 videos twice a week.
You know what 2 videos twice a week means? 2 and then 2.
2 videos twice a week. I post
2 videos twice a week. So you do 2 videos 2 times.
Corey, I post 2 videos.
You post videos twice a week. You don't post 2 videos twice.
Shut up,
So
who cares?
You're like, I post 4 videos. And everyone's like, this bitch never posts 4 videos. Like,
Oh, whatever. Shut up.
I post 7 videos 4 times a week.
Shut up. Fucker. Now I have to do that all over again. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Please, messing up now.